In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the theme in GoDaddy Website Builder. Whether you're refreshing your brand or just trying out a new look, updating your theme is one of the fastest ways to transform the overall feel of your site without rebuilding everything from scratch. Before we begin, make sure you're already logged into your GoDaddy account and that you have your website open in the Website Builder editor. You should be on the main editing screen where you can see your site preview in the center and editing options around it. Once you're there, you're ready to change the theme. First, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with different options for editing your site. Find the option labeled Theme. This is where all of your global design settings live, including your site's overall layout, colors, and fonts. Go ahead and click the Theme tab. When you open it, you're telling the builder that you want to work on the overall look and feel of your site, rather than just a single section or page. Next, you'll want to browse the available themes. Inside the theme area, look for a button or link that says try a new look or browse themes. GoDaddy sometimes updates the wording, but both options take you to the same place, a gallery of pre-designed themes you can apply to your site. Click that option to open the theme library. Once the theme library loads, you'll see a variety of different styles. Each theme comes with its own combination of fonts, colors, and layout choices, but your actual content, like your text and images, will stay in place. This means you can experiment freely without worrying about losing your work. Take your time here, scroll through the available themes, and pay attention to how each one aligns with your brand. For example, a bold, high-contrast theme might be great for a creative portfolio, while a clean, minimal theme can work well for professional services. When you see a theme you're interested in, use the preview option. Clicking on a theme will usually show you a live preview of how your existing site content would look with that design applied. This is your chance to check whether the fonts are easy to read, whether the color palette feels right, and whether the overall layout supports your content. If something looks off, simply go back to the theme list and try another one. Once you've found a theme that fits, select it to apply it to your site. The builder will update your design while keeping your pages and content intact. After applying, take a moment to click through your pages in the preview to make sure everything looks consistent. When you're happy with the result, remember to save and publish your changes so visitors see the new design. And that's all it takes to change the theme in GoDaddy Website Builder.